Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna. Please chant. Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Krishna Hare Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Krishna Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Everyone, please chant. Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare Everyone, please chant. Rama Rama Hare Hare Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Rama Hare Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna Hare Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Please chant Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Krishna, everyone please chant Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Everyone, please chant. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Everyone, please. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Prabhupada, Jaya Prabhupada, Prabhupada, Srila Prabhupada. Jaya Jaya Prabhupada, 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 Jaya Jaya Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada ki jai.
Jaya Jaya Gaura Chande Arati Kasaba. Jaya Jaya Gaura Chande Arati Kasaba. Janavitata-vane Jagamanaloba Satavane Jagamanaloba Sakini Nitai Chan Pame Kadadara Sakini Nitai Chan Pame Kadadara Nikate Advaita Shini Vasa Chatradara Nikate Advaita Shini Vasa Chatradara Posi Ache Gaura Chan Ratna Simhasane Bosi Ache Gaura Chan Ratna Simhasane Arati Korena Brahma Adi Devagane Arati Korena Brahma Adi Devagane Nara Hari Adi Kori Chamaradulaya Nara Hari Adi Kori Chamaradulaya Sanjaya Mukunda Basu Goshadigaya Sanjaya Mukunda Basu Goshadigaya Sanka Baje Ganta Baje Baje Karatala Sanka Baje Ganta Baje Baje Karatala Madhura Mridanga Baje Paramarasala Paramarasala Sanka baje, kanta baje, madhur, madhur, madhur baje. 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 Madhur, madhur, madhur baje. Madhur, madhur, madhur baje. Madhur, madhur, madhur baje. Sanka baje, kanta baje, madhur, madhur, madhur baje. Sanka baje, kanta baje, madhur, madhur, madhur baje. Sanka baje, kanta baje, madhur, madhur, madhur baje. Bahu koti chandra jini, padana ujvala. Bahu koti chandra jini, padana ujvala. Kala dese bana mala, kore jalamala. Kala dese bana mala, kore jalamala. Siva sukha narada, preme gata gata. Siva sukha narada, preme gata gata. Pakati vinoda dekhe, korara sampada. Pakati vinoda dekhe, korara sampada. Krishna Pristaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Iti Namine. Namaste Saraswati Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvasesha Sunyavadi Tatsatade Satarine. Jaya Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Shivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Jaya Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Shivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Namaste Narashrindaya, Pralaladaine, Hiranyakashipu Rakshaha, Silatam Kanakalaye, Ito Nishingo, Parato Nishingo, Yato Yamitato Nishingo, Nishingo, Hidaya Nishingo, Narashingamadin Saranam Prapadin, Kavakara Kamalavane Nakama Bhuta Shringam, Talita Hiranyakashipu Tanyaringa, अवतीता नाना हरि रूपा जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे Nrsingadev, 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 Jaya Nrsingadev. Jaya Prahlad Maharaj, Prahlad Maharaj, Prahlad Maharaj, Jaya Prahlad Maharaj. Jaya Prabhupada, 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 Srila Prabhupada. Jaya Prabhupada, 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 Srila Prabhupada. Jaya Prabhupada, 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 Srila Prabhupada.
जय ओम विष्णुपाद परमहंसपराचार्य श्रीमात ऐसी भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी श्री प्रभुपाद की जय। जय ओम विष्णुपाद परमहंसपराचार्य श्रीमद भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती महाराज की जय। शिला हरिदास ठाकुर की जय। अनंत कोटि वैष्णववृंद की जय। प्रेम से कहो श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंदा श्री अद्वैता गदाधार शिव सारी गौर भक्तवृंद की जय। श्री श्री राधा कुंड श्याम कुंड गिरी गोवर्धन धाम की जय। वृंदावन धाम की जय। मथुरा धाम की जय। जगन्नाथपुरी धाम की जय। नवदीप मायापुर धाम की जय। गंगा माई की जय। यमुना माई की जय। तुलसी देवी की जय। भक्ति देवी की जय। श्री श्री गौर नित्याय की जय। श्री श्री जगन्नाथ बलदेव सुभद्रा देवी की जय। श्री श्री राधा किशोर गोपीनाथ की। श्री श्री राधा किशोर गोपीनाथ की जय। All glories to assembled devotees. All glories to assembled devotees. All glories to assembled devotees. All glory to Shri Guru and Gauranga. Now everybody together. नमो विष्णु पदाया कृष्ण पश्चाया भूतले श्रीमते भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी नामने नामस्ते सरस्वती देवे गौरवाणी पचारने निर्विशेषा शून्यवादी पाचाचार देशतारने।
Hare Krishna. Can I request everyone to be seated, looking towards your east? Everyone to be seated, please. So we will have a small session right now, and after the session, prasadam will be distributed. So I request everyone to be seated here in this temple hall. Thank you so much. I give everyone a few seconds to settle down, so please sit down. Just in case if you don't find a seat here, though I think we have enough space, you can also go upstairs at the balcony and sit there. But I guess for now, this space is enough for each one of us. So can you please come forward so that if more people join us, they can also come here. Please come forward, everyone. Thank you. I might look very awful, but I don't beat up, so you can come in the front. Everyone, thank you. So thank you so much, everyone, for joining us for this Sunday Feast program. Now, how many of you are joining us for the first time? Please put up your hands. Joining us for the first ever time for any Sunday Feast program. Wow, a lot of you. Okay, so for the rest of the devotees who have been coming here for a while, how do we welcome anyone who joins us for the first time? Hare Krishna. Okay, let's give them a warm, heartfelt welcome. And how do we do that? Put both our hands up in the air and say, Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Thank you. So this is for all of you who have joined us for the first time. Since you've joined us for the first time, just to let you know, this is a beautiful abode of Shri Shri Radha Kishore Gopinath. And we have toilets downstairs. If you have kids below the age of 10, 12, they should be always supervised. We also have Govinda's Boutique here, where you'll find a lot of devotional items. We have Govinda's Restaurants. And today, the speciality there is soya chop. As I was told, pav bhaji, pizza, I don't know what all things. Okay, so that's the Govinda's Boutique. And every Sunday feast, we gather here, there's a session, and after that, we serve prasadam to everyone. So that's the program for the Sunday feast. Now, how many of you are joining us for the first time on 1st of March of 2026? Whoa! Okay, everyone? How many of you are joining us? Okay, I think my question, was it too much getting you, maybe confusing? No? First time joining on the 1st of March of 2026. I think everyone. Okay, that wasn't that difficult. Thank you. So welcome to everyone one more time. Thank you for joining us. Today's session is going to be really special, and today's speaker is again very special. Today's speaker, like for most of you who have been joining us, you know, is Shubh Vilas Prabhu. So let's do Hari Bol! So for those who don't know, and for my own purification, I would love to introduce Shubh Vilas Prabhu. Shubh Vilas Prabhu is a direct disciple of His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. So which means the founder Acharya of ISKCON, so he's a disciple of Srila Prabhupada. He got extensive association of Srila Prabhupada, which was here in Toronto, in Chicago, in Vrindavan, in Detroit. He was also the temple president of Chicago in 80s, where he helped securing the building, and the grand opening was done with hundreds and thousands of devotees at that time. Here, of course, Prabhupada also visited his house twice in 1975 and 1976. Now, how many of you know that this temple, this abode of Shri Shri Radha Kishore Gopinath, was once upon a time a church building? How many of you know that? You know that? And for those who don't know, they know pretty much by seeing the structure that, you know, how balcony and the altar is generally there. And Shubh Vilas Prabhu was immensely instrumental in securing this building. So we all devotees of Toronto are eternally and always so very grateful to Shubh Vilas Prabhu to secure this building so that we can come here at the shelter of Shri Shri Radha Kishore Gopinath, relish amazing association here, prasadam here, kirtan here. So thank you, Shubh Vilas Prabhu, and over to you today for today's session, which is going to be on Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So Hari Bol, let's welcome Shubh Vilas Prabhu. Hare Krishna! While Prabhu is sitting, you know, Prabhu, whenever you meet Shubh Vilas Prabhu, he has so many anecdotes and he has so many episodes to share with Srila Prabhupada. And he's also very funny in a lot of ways. When I meet him, he would say, I'll say, how are you, Prabhu? He would say, I was good 90%, 95%, but after seeing you, I'm 100% good. So he would joke around the same way, maybe with a few other devotees. So thank you, Prabhu, for always keeping us so lively. Hare Krishna.
जय राधा माधवा कुंज बिहारी जय राधा माधवा कुंज बिहारी गोपी जन वल्लभा गिरवरधारी गोपी जन वल्लभा गिरवरधारी यशोदानंदन ब्रजचंद्र रंजन यशोदानंदन ब्रजचंद्र रंजन यमुना तीरा वनचारी यमुना तीरा वनचारी जय राधा माधवा कुंज बिहारी जय राधा माधवा कुंज बिहारी गोपी जन वल्लभा गिरवरधारी गोपी जन वल्लभा गिरवरधारी यशोदानंदन ब्रजचंद्र रंजन यशोदानंदन ब्रजचंद्र रंजन यमुना तीरा वनचारी यमुना तीरा वनचारी जय राधा माधवा कुंज बिहारी जय राधा माधवा कुंज बिहारी जय राधा माधवा कुंज बिहारी
जय ओम विष्णुपाद परमहंस परिचार्य श्रीमद एसी भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी श्री प्रभुपाद की जय। जय ओम विष्णुपाद परमहंस परिचार्य श्रीमद भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती महाराज की जय। All glories to Assemble Lord. All glory to Srila Prabhupada. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Thank you for coming today. It is a very special day and especially weekend. Just to get one thing that to let you know, the Gaur Purnima in Mayapur has started already with a Mangal Aarti, which was an hour ago started. So because the time difference, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu appearance is started to be celebrated in Mayapur. So getting into the birth and appearance of Lord Chaitanya, it was February 18th, 1486. The day was a Saturday when Lord Chaitanya appeared. It was Navdi Mayapur where his appearance was. People used to call him Nimai also because he was appeared under the Nim tree. And some of you people who are going to Mayapur, you can go, the Nim tree is still there, growing, and you can have the darshan there. And Nanda Baba in Krishna Leela and Mother Yashoda. Nanda Baba became Jagannath Mishra, father of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and Mother Yashoda became Mother Sachi. At that time was eclipse, and coincided, today is a moon eclipse also outside in Toronto. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu appeared there, and the whole Navdi Mayapur Dham, because at eclipse time in India, everybody goes to the rivers, especially Mayapur is next to Ganga river, and everybody was chanting, Hari, 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 Hari. So we are very, very fortunate today to have everybody listen to the glories and causeless mercy of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And we should also thank my Guru Maharaj, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada, who taught us and brought the teachings of Lord Chaitanya's to the Western world. And it was 540 years ago today when Lord Chaitanya appeared. And it was a very, very special day because on one side, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu appeared as Lord Krishna and appeared as a Chaitanya in a white form. On the other hand, also his associate and Nityananda Prabhu was Balram, also came to Mayapur to assist him. There are a lot of predictions in Srimad Bhagavatam, in different cantos, in Chaitanyam Chartavrita, that in this Kali Yuga, Lord Krishna will appear, and that will be in a white form, not a blackish form. Because you have seen Radha Krishna Gopinath, he's in a blackish form. And on the first altar, you see Lord Chaitanya and Nityananda, they are in a white form. So, as we all know, that there are different purpose of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to come. Lord Krishna wanted to enjoy the mellows of Radharani. He was thinking why Radharani is so happy, have the association of Krishna, why she is enjoying so much. Even Krishna could understand, so he wanted to take a birth in this age of Kali to come and enjoy that pastime which was really relished by Radharani. But the secondary reason was Lord Chaitanya wanted to establish the significance of Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. That is the reason we call it Maha Mantra. This is best mantra which can, just by chanting, can take back to all of you to Krishna Loka. So, there are so many pastimes of Lord Krishna, but the appearance of Lord Krishna was good mercy of Advaita Acharya. You see, we have to remember the real devotees are always concerned about the other people. He noticed that in Kali Yuga, all the people are busy collecting money, doing all the nonsense, and not even chanting Krishna. Also, their food is bad, their alcohol they're drinking, and so that Krishna has to come. So this was Advaita Acharya's mission, that he was thinking that how I can help the whole universe in Kali Yuga, that they can all go back to Godhead. And he thought of there's only one way. He said that if Krishna comes himself in this Kali Yuga, so on the bank of the Ganga in India, he sat and prayed and prayed and prayed. And Krishna accepted his prayers. And Krishna said, okay, I'll come as a Lord Chaitanya. So Lord Chaitanya appeared, and with the mercy of Advaita Acharya, and to bring and help us go back to Krishna Loka. There are so many pastimes. You know, if you go outside, there's so many copies of Chaitanya Charitamrita, and to read that will take months and months. And we have only half an hour to discuss everything. So let me see how short I can make it, and we can talk about it. And it is a habit in India of, householder invite the saintly person to come to their house, eat there. And there was a Brahman who was invited by Jagannath Mishra and Mother Chachi that come and stay with us. But the Brahman had a vow that he will only cook himself and offer to Krishna, and then he take a prasadam. He won't take anything which are cooked by anybody else. So the Brahman make a good feast and offer it ready to offer to Krishna. And Nimai, Lord Chaitanya, little boy, goes there and start eating. And Brahman got very upset. He said, why? What I can do? I am offering this feast to Krishna, but he's eating it. So Brahman said, okay, I'll cook it again. So he cooked it again. 3 times he did the cooking of the feast, and every time Nimai comes and eats it. And then Jagannath Mishra thought, let's lock this boy up. So if you know, in India, it's here different. You can open the locks from inside the house, but in India, when you close the door and put the chain on up, you can't open from inside. So he cooked again. And while this time also, Chaitanya escaped and started eating again. Nimai, he said, what is going to happen? He said, so the Brahman gave up. He said, that's okay now. Krishna is not accepting my offering. So after that, the Brahman went to sleep, and Lord Chaitanya came in his dream, and he said, at one time, at the time when I was in Braj, Leela, you were cooking also, and I made a trouble at that time. I'm repeating that now for you. And then he realized it, and Lord Chaitanya gave him a darshan of Krishna form. And the Brahman was very, very happy and got so much blessing. And we'll keep going on and on, how many pastimes we can cover. Oh, when he was a little boy, Mother Sachi will decorate him, like because she has love of old Krishna. She decorated him in jewels, everything else. And there, you see, when they see a little boy walking around there, two thieves thought, okay, let's take him and take all his jewels. They didn't want to hurt the boy, but they took him. And the two thieves wanted to go away so they can steal the jewels from him. But every time they will go around, they'll end up in Jagannath Mishra's house. They go around, he's back into the Jagannath Mishra's house. Then they gave up and left. This is what the mercy of there. And then, the other time, you know, even you might have seen Rath Yatra. Who have seen Rath Yatra in Toronto? Oh, lots of people. So there are 3 carts. In Jagannath Puri, there are 3 carts also. The front cart is Baldev's, middle is Mother Subhadra, and Jagannath cart is on the back. And all the people from Mayapur were visiting Jagannath Puri at the Rath Yatra. And all the devotees of Lord Chaitanya, they wanted Lord Chaitanya in front of their cart to chant. So, how it is possible that everybody wants it? Lord Chaitanya goes in one cart or the other cart. And all of a sudden, when the Rath Yatra cart started and chanting started, people noticed Lord Chaitanya is in front of every cart, chanting Jai Jagannath, Jai Jagannath. So this is the time of and the pastime of Lord Chaitanya's. And then at that time, Lord Chaitanya and Nityananda started the chanting Sankirtan in Mayapur. That was the time to chant, chant and chant. And there was Hindus there and a lot of Muslim also. But in Mayapur, 24 hours a day at that time, everybody could hear Hari, 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 Krishna, Hare Krishna. And Muslim got very mad. So they went to Chand Qazi. Chand Qazi was a director or the superintendent, Muslim person who was controlling the whole area. So he listened to his Muslim followers. He said, they are making nothing but trouble. Nobody chanting anything. Nobody doing anything, Quran, nothing. There are everybody chanting and chanting. What should we do? So he accepted their prayer and he said, okay, I'll go and stop that. So Qazi went when there was chanting going on. And he goes there and he was everybody laughing and chanting Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. And Qazi got very mad. He took a drum, which is Mardanga, you've seen it here playing, and he broke it. And then he said, nobody can chant in Mayapur anymore. Chanting has to stop. Anybody chants, I'll take over their houses and demolish them and put them in jails. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu became very upset that what is going on? Chanting should be allowed. So he called Nityananda Prabhu, which is Balram. He said, bring everybody in Mayapur who is ready to chant and a big party. So everybody start chanting and start walking in the Ganga and going to the house of Chand Qazi. Oh, by the way, if you're going to Mayapur sometime, Chand Qazi's house is still there. And there, and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu had a discussion with Chand Qazi that chanting, how important it is. And after listening to the argument and the discussions and special mercy of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he admitted, that's okay. Everybody can chant in there. I won't disturb it. So he made a rule that in Mayapur, not only while he's there, but all his followers, all his children, everybody who become the king or of the area, they will allow the chanting there. So after the chanting, because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was not stopping it, he asked him, yesterday you broke the Mardanga, and today you're saying anybody can chant everywhere, what's going on? He said, last night, after I came back, after breaking the Mardanga, I went to sleep. And while I was sleeping, I could dream and I could see that there's somebody with a body of a man, but his head of a lion, and he had big, big nails. And I don't know what was going on. I was so scared that I said, that's it, I will allow the chanting forever. And this was the mercy of Nrsingadev Bhagavan appeared to him. And then, right after that, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was so merciful on him. Chand Kazi lay down, paid Dandavat to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Look at a change over. What is the power of Harinam? And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, his glories. And Kazi became the disciple of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu ki jai. And then, and when Lord Chaitanya was only 10 years old, he opened a school there, and everybody knew he was the best scholar in Mayapur, Navdvip. And there was another devotee from Kashmir. His name was Kashmiri Pandit. He was going all over India. His aim was only one, to defeat everybody with his knowledge. So he'll go to every city, everywhere, all the big Pandits, big scholars, he'll defeat them. So then he comes one day also to Mayapur. And all these devotees are a little shaky that he went all over the world. They thought, okay, let's put Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. But if this Kashmiri Pandit wins, oh, we'll tell it was only little boy, he won it from him. He didn't win from us. So while walking on the Ganga, the Kashmiri Pandit saw him, and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu tell him, recite 100 shlokas of Ganga. And Pandit Kashmiri, quick, in few seconds, he got 100 shlokas. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, listen, and right away, 10-year-old boy, he couldn't believe it. He repeated 64 shlokas right away. In few seconds, that is memories. And then right after that, he found so many faults on Kashmiri Pandit version that what he said was not correct. Because the word he used, Bhavani, and he did properly Lord Shiva. Because Bhavani, without Lord Shiva's, that's Shiva's wife. So even this Kashmiri Pandit also bore down to Lord Chaitanya, and he start the glories of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Then, the purpose, as we discussed earlier, that Lord Chaitanya appears, Krishna appears as Lord Chaitanya. You see in the Bhagavad Gita, it says, so many shlokas that Krishna comes here to kill the demons. He said, Paritranaya sadhu nam vinashchaya dushkritam, that he comes to kill the demon. So he instructed Nityananda, his brother, who was Balram, that go door to door. And look at that, it's still continuing on. our devotees, in the mercy of Srila Prabhupada, they are going door to door preaching Krishna's. You know, especially in November, December, they are going to different apartments, trying to give them the Bhagavad Gita. So that was going on. So they went door to door, and there they see two drunks, brothers Jagai and Madhai, their name. And originally Jagai and Madhai was born in a Brahmin family. But due to bad association, so later on we'll discuss certain part of association is how important is association. So that Nityananda Prabhu tried to preach them, but they won't listen. They say, go away, go away. They were drunk. And Nityananda Prabhu keep insisting, no, you chant, it's good for you. But one of the brother got, Jagai Vadai's brother, got so bad. There was earthen pot sitting there. Lots of people, you know earthen pot, जिसे खड़ा कहते हैं, जिसे पानी डालते हैं. So he takes that and throw at Nityananda Prabhu. And Nityananda Prabhu got hurt and started bleeding. The message goes to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu runs there. And at that time, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu had a Sudarshan Chakra with him. And everybody got scared. And then Nityananda Prabhu said, no. In this age, you are not supposed to do that. That was the old time when in the Krishna Leela, you're supposed to do that. But the Leela here, you are not supposed to do this. You have to be very, very kind. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu forgave them, and all of a sudden when they saw the Sudarshan Chakra and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, all their drunkenness was gone and they become the devotees. So let's see a couple of more. Before we go to the last couple of pastime, let's discuss. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu instructed all his disciples to write books and preach. 6 Goswami, Rupa, Sanatan, Raghunath Bhatta, Goswami, they write book. Jiva Goswami write the book. And they all, and even Chaitanya and Charitamrita, Krishnadas Kaviraj wrote, but Chaitanya Mahaprabhu wrote only 8 shlokas. So they are very, very important. So just by following those 8 shlokas and getting back to one more line for Prabhupada, he said just by chanting 16 rounds and having prasadam, you can go back to Godhead. And that's what a reputation of whatever Chaitanya Mahaprabhu wrote. The first outer, because we can go through the whole translation, but that will be hard because of the time. So, verse 1, text 1, glories to Lord Krishna's Sankirtan. So that was the purpose of Lord Chaitanya coming. And then in text 2, only holy name of Krishna can render all benefits. That's very, very important to understand that all the benefits are coming from him. So there's no need of going everywhere. Just by praying to Lord Krishna and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, you get all the benefits. And text 3, we should have no desire of money, women's, health, followers, collections. No. Because we have to be humble and meek to pray to Krishna, then Krishna rewards. There is a little example given again and again that we should depend on Krishna only. Krishna only. Because lots of people, especially ladies, they all pray to Mirabai. Mirabai always says, Mere to Girdhar Gopal. Very good. We all keep chanting that. But they forget the second line. Dusra na koi, nobody else. It's only Krishna, for her only Girdhar Gopal. When Draupadi was in trouble, when she put the hands up to Krishna only, her 5 husbands, nobody could protect her. Krishna came to protect. And we should love Krishna so much. And when we chant, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, our body should remember him so much. The tears should come in our eyes and the hair should stand up. And that was happened to Prabhupada. We have seen it. It is not a once upon a time. I've seen it myself, and Prabhupada so often became so emotional, he cried while chanting. So that should be the mood. And then Lord Chaitanya teaching makes that we should accept the things. There are the 6 points. Accept the things which are favorable to discharge Krishna's service. This money, going around, dancing, drinking, anything nonsense is not favorable, and we should avoid, reject unfavorable things. So if we reject the unfavorable thing, of course, the only thing is to have a good association. Because if you have a bad association, that is what you're going to learn. That our interest should be, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu should be no different than Krishna's interest. And Krishna's interest we discussed earlier, as a Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was taking everybody back to Godhead. So if you want to go back to Godhead, that's going to happen only by serving Krishna and chanting Hare Krishna and having prasadam and have the association of the devotees. Because when you come to the temple, you're all in the temple today. Have you, anybody listened? Anybody talking about the movie? Anybody show? Or about the Los Angeles or anything else? No, everybody talking about Krishna. So association makes a lot of difference. We have to become like the gopis. That gopis' love for Krishna was selfless. They were not interested in anything else. They were not coming there and coming to say, okay, we do this and we'll get back this thing. Like here, sometimes we come to pray to Krishna. Krishna has a $20 bill. But when I go home, if I can have a bigger house, or have. No, we have to show the pure love for Krishna. So we show the pure love, that will give us there. So there's another very good pastime you to learn, that how important Chaitanya Mahaprabhu made this word Krishna and Krishna Mahamantra. So there, Lord Chaitanya had a lot of Muslim disciples also. And there was one disciple of Krishna, was Satyaraja Khan. He was a very good devotee, but he was asking so many questions from Lord Chaitanya. And one day, sitting with Lord Chaitanya, he had a big question. He said, who is a real Vaishnava? That who is a real devotee? And look at the answer given by Lord Chaitanya. Lord Chaitanya said, a person who chants the word once Krishna is a devotee. And Lord Chaitanya did not stop there. He said, even if somebody just hear the word Krishna is a devotee. And then Lord Chaitanya did not finish there. He said, even if somebody thinking of that I will chant is a devotee. So this mantra is so powerful. So we have to keep going and chanting. And in conclusion, this time the Prabhupada mentioned that what is Krishna consciousness is. So we are all here today. We should take something. So, when you go to a store, walk around the whole store and come out empty-handed. That's no good. You buy something. So you're here with the mercy of Krishna and Lord Chaitanya, especially on such a specious day. Take something with you. So, Srila Prabhupada said nicely, he said, what we do, we worship Krishna. That's all we do here. We think of Krishna, we work for Krishna, we glorify Krishna, we chant for Krishna, we dedicate our life for Krishna. This is our philosophy. So that's what we are supposed to do, and that's what we keep doing. We are talking about that? Huh? 2 minutes? 1 minute? 2 minutes? Okay, 2 minutes. One last thing. This was, again, note one, because I was so fortunate to have so much association, Ashrat and me, with Prabhupada, as was told, a house, that. And the last thing, it will take only 2 minutes, is very, very important. This was exactly happened in Atlanta, 28th of February 1975. Srila Prabhupada was giving a lecture. This is what Prabhupada said in the last part of the lecture. Two lords, Nityananda Prabhu and Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, they have appeared just to reclaim the fallen soul of the sage. They are more kind than Krishna. Krishna is very kind also, but he asks for us to surrender. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Nityananda are not asking to surrender. And while he was giving the last line of the lecture, giving the instruction that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is so merciful, Srila Prabhupada's voice started choking, and he could not speak anymore, and he started crying. This is love of Prabhupada. And we have seen that in this temple in 1976, while he was giving a lecture, Prabhupada became, while he was chanting Jai Radha Madhav, he choked also for 5 minutes, couldn't say anything. And then he started chanting back again. This should be our mood, that do a selfless service. Just by doing the service, and you're so fortunate you're here, and especially you remember while you're here, we're talking about Lord Chaitanya and his causeless mercy, and in Mayapur, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu appearance has already started, and the whole city of Mayapur is chanting Gauranga, Gauranga, Gauranga. That's what is happening. And thank you very much. What we are going to do, I'll be still here till 8 o'clock or so, right here. And if somebody has any question, because I've been told the time is up, we can go on. And if you go outside, if you want to hear more about Chaitanya or read about it, there's a Chaitanya and Charitamrita. The whole set is on sale. And just by reading that, your life will become successful. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna. Now, because, just 1 second, because we did it, because the mercy of Srila Prabhupada, we should thank Prabhupada. So when I say Srila Prabhupada ki jai, you should say that, please. That is because of his mercy we are all here. Srila Prabhupada ki! 3 times, louder. Srila Prabhupada ki. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Jai Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and his causeless mercy. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna. Thank you. 2x.
All right, let's say it up for Shiv Vilas Prabhu one more time by putting up our hands up here and say, Hare Krishna! Thank you so much. So how many of you attentively heard the whole session today? Put up your hands. Yes? And I'm so thankful to Shiv Vilas Prabhu for, recapitulating so many different pastimes of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. How many of you can tell me, okay, the first pastime will come from the Prasadam distribution team. Any one pastime that was shared by Shiv Vilas Prabhu. Prasadam distribution team, they were looking at me, they stopped looking at me. How beautiful Prasadam distribution. Yes, Antariksh Prabhu, quickly, one pastime shared. Well, the first pastime that Shiv Vilas Prabhu narrated was when the thieves came and thieves were going round and around in the house and they landed up ultimately at Jagannath Mishra Prabhu's house. Ultimately, they gave up. Okay, next pastime was? Yeah? Quick. Yeah, that's the final lesson. Yes, that's the very important lesson, that chanting is very important. And not only that, even if you think about chanting the Hare Krishna Maha Mantra, that is also so amazing. So chanting is definitely important. Okay, any other pastimes? So many pastimes were narrated. Yeah? Yeah? One Brahman came. So you're talking about Kashmiri Pandit? Okay, yes, so that was one pastime. Any other pastime? No? Okay, keep eating the prasadam. Okay, that one. Yes. So, yeah. The Kazi story, the Chand Kazi story, when, of course, Chand Kazi, and who came in the dream of Chand Kazi? Narasimhadev. And then he allowed chanting forever. They said every time any Muslim dictator or anyone comes to Mayapur, you'll be always chanting Hare Krishna. Any other pastime? Yeah? Jagai Madai pastime, yes. Shishtashtakam, the verses, 8 verses given by Mahaprabhu. Any other pastime? Okay, we covered most of the pastimes. Yes, but thank you so much, Prabhu, for giving us all those pastimes. He's now raising the 3rd generation of devotees in his family. And of course, so many of us getting inspired by him. So I have quick announcements to make before we start with our prasadam. So when is Gaur Purnima coming? Tuesday, that's March the 3rd, that's Gaur Purnima. At 6 p.m., we'll have a special program here in the temple. We'll have Abhishek, Kirtan, spiritual discourse will happen. So please join us at 6 p.m. and of course the Prasadam will be at 8:30 there. The sponsorship opportunities are available for Gaur Purnima. If you want to sponsor, you can meet the devotees at the front desk. Also, Krishna Fun School is presenting a virtual March break, which means from March 16th to March 20th, any children primarily from the age group of 5 to 12, if you want to enroll, they will be telling about 12 Mahajan. It's a special group. For 5 days, they're charging $60. And if you and your spouse followed Hum Do Hamare Do, then they're also following the same concept, bar 1 and 1 free, which means you enroll your one kid, the other sibling is free to attend. That's what they told me. More details on Krishna Fun School notice board outside. You can give a call or, you can reach out to them. We also have 2026 ISKCON calendars, ISKCON Toronto calendar available at the front desk. You can grab for yourself. And torontokrishna.com is, of course, the website where you can go to get any kind of details about the upcoming events, festival details, or anything. Okay, I also want to quickly thank our today's cooks, that is Bhava Malini Mataji and her entire dedicated team, and also the sponsors for tonight, and they are G. Somu Naidu and G. Ishwara Ratnam. They're sponsoring for the well-being of their parents, and also we have 2 anonymous sponsors. So for Bhava Malini Mataji, the entire team of cooks, for our sponsors, let's put our hands up in the air and our hearts full of gratitude and devotion. Let's chant the full Hare Krishna Maha Mantra nicely. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. One more time. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. All right, last time. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. We just learned the importance of chanting today, so it's good to chant all these times. And we will have the darshan that will open at 8 o'clock, so try to finish your prasadam before that. And in case your prasadam is left out, please go out of the temple hall and honor prasadam. Thank you so much, everyone. Hare Krishna. We'll see you on March 3rd for Gaur Purnima.